Hello everyone, this is Adam with Kanen Coffee. Here we have an ECM Technika Rota. It's a rotary pump machine, a heat exchanger. Came into the shop because essentially because the pump wasn't filling. The customer says the pump was getting hot. It didn't appear to be turning on. In my testing, I found that the pump actually did turn on, but it wasn't actually moving water through it. Ultimately, he ended up needing a replacement pump. Inside of this pump, there are these like graphite sort of brushes that run against the wall of the interior of the pump. And as long as there's water flowing through it, they don't really wear down very much. They'll slowly wear down over time, but it takes a really long time to do that. But without water to lubricate it, it just becomes abrasive and it causes them to wear down. The reason why the pump wasn't able to move water and eventually caused the pump to fail, however, was because of this inline filter being clogged. Even if you use like distilled, treated water, algae and other microbes can get inside of your water, and oftentimes that causes clogs in these filters. And those filters are there to protect the machine from damage caused by these like particulates, microbial stuff. So eventually it became completely clogged, blocked water flow. The pump failed, and then the last thing in this cascade was the heating element. The heating element, when it's turned on and there's no water to absorb the heat, the heating element itself overheats, and it causes issues like cracking and shorting inside. So we ended up replacing the heating element. But as you can see, I'm at steam pressure, meaning that the steam boiler is filled. There's water in there. Water. So there's water flowing through, and there we go. I get the pump to activate. It'll run for a second, then it'll turn off because it's able to move water finally. So I'm just gonna prepare a test shot. Now I have a cup here, and I'm just gonna do a test shot. I don't have this machine dialed in or calibrated. We only have this triple shot basket from the customer, so it's not dialed in or anything. But as you can see, we have good water pressure.